Hey guys, you're welcome back to my channel once again. And once again, I would like to say a very big thank you to everyone who have subscribed to my channel and those who are liking my videos. Thank you very much. God bless you. Please, if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, you can do so now. Just click on that subscribe button. It won't take you a second. And also, if you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button. Thank you so much as you did that. God bless you. Today I would like to show you how to stake your free coin on free coin website. So it's very simple and straightforward. Just try and watch this video to the very last end. And so all you need is your free coin token and also a small BNB in your wallet for gas fee. So when you have the two, you need to extract to your trust wallet, then go to the dapps, then on this in this search box just type in freecoin.finance, then you load the address. So don't forget to change this Ethereum network to smart chain network, because Freecoin is on smart chain network and TRC network, but we are dealing with Freecoin on smart chain network. If you actually want to stake, if you have Freecoin that is on Tron network, you should stake it on KTS exchange. So this is for smart chain Freecoin. So I'll change the Ethereum icon to smart chain. So when I do that, I'm going to connect my wallet now. I'm going to click on this on this connect button right here, but the website is still loading, so I will wait till it loads finish. Okay, I think the loading is taking much time. Let me just click on this connect button here. So I'll click on it, and then I will choose trust wallet because I'm using trust wallet. Click on trust wallet. Then if you ask me to connect, I'll click on connect. You can see that my wallet address has been connected at this place. My wallet is now showing. That means my wallet address has been connected. So in order to stake my free coin, I'll click on this three dash line here, and I'll click on this mint x free this last option. When I click on it, I'll be taken to the point where I'm going to stake my free coin. So when you get to this page, you can see we have 90 days, we have 48 days, we have like you can start from 30 days. So you have 30 days and the APR is 10%. If you increase it, so the higher the days, the higher the APR. So you can choose the one that you are comfortable with. The highest one is 365 days, that is a year, and the APR is 40%. But for me, I'll go for I think I'll go for this 30 days 10%. Let's see how it turns out. So so all I have to do now is you have to choose the days. Then any days that you choose, the APR is fixed. You understand, there is no changing in APR. So if I'm staking my free coin for 30 days, I will get 10% of whatever I staked, and it sounds good. Instead of leaving your free coin inside your wallet and those be looking at it. So what I will do now is that I'm going to click on this approve. So when I click on that, I'll be asked to pay a transaction fee, that is gas fee. I'll click on approve. Then I will wait for the transaction to be successful. Okay, you can see that the transaction is successful now. You can see that I'm having deposit free, that is deposit free coin. That is what I'm having at this place now. So I'm going to click on, and one thing is that you can still change your days even if you have approved it. It is when you click on deposit, that is when the days that you have chosen will be applied to your staking. So I'm going to choose 30 days, and I'm going to choose 10%. So that means I can only unstake my free coin after 30 days. You have to know that any days, any staking program that you choose. If I choose 221 days, 207 days, to anyone that I choose, that means I can only unstake after this particular number of days that I choose is over. So, and someone can choose, let me see, 60 days, that's like 2 months. 2 months is 60 days. So this is 60 days. That's 12%. So there's no difference. I'll go for my 30 days. I'll click on deposit free. The deposit amount will be greater than 500,000 free coin, not 5 million. So I'll click on OK. Oh, sorry. I have to type in the amount that I want to deposit here. That was my mistake. So I'm going to deposit this whole amount here. I'm going to type it. There's no maximum button here, so I'll type in 55237.5749. I think it's more than that, but that's the number I can see presently. So I'm putting in 5,523,237 of free coin. So I'm going to click on this deposit free now. So it said free balance is too low. I don't know why it's saying that, because I'm depositing 5 million of free coins. So okay, let me do it again. 5523237 points. I think it's still okay. Or let me remove the points at the back, the decimal points. So I'll click on deposit free. So you can see, so you don't need to put the decimal point at the back. So I'll click on approve. I'll authenticate, I'll approve it. So I'll wait for the transaction to be successful. So you can see that I don't have my free coin at this balance now. Okay, let me quickly explain something concerning this free coin staking. If you look at this place, we have one free is equal to $0.000000148, and it said 1x free is equal to 500,000 free coin. Now if you scroll down, you see that I'm having x free here. I mean, this is the x free that I'll be getting after the whole stake and after the 30 days. And if I convert it using this conversion rate, 1x free is equal to 500,000 free, then I'll be getting this is 0.090799294 multiplied by is 5,000. That's the amount of free coin I'll be getting at the end of that 30 days. So it depends on the APR that you choose. You understand? If I increase this one now, you see that the S3 will increase. You can see. So it depends on the number of days and the APR that you have chosen. So this is what you'll be getting after 30 days. This is what I'll be getting based on what I staked. So after you have staked your free coin, if you scroll down, you see the free coin that you have staked. You can see locked free. You can see the amount that I've locked, and then this is the x free that I'll be receiving, which is equivalent to this one that I showed you at the top here, 0.090799294. You can see it at this place here. It's the same thing. So you can see that my timer has started counting down at this place here. So that is how to do it. So this is the x free. So whenever after the 30 days, if I unstake my free coin, then this x free will be converted to free coin directly. I don't need to convert it myself. So that is just the simple way to stake your free coin on a free coin website. So thank you so much for watching this video, and please, if you look at this place, they say the deposit history is displayed up to this number of block here. So immediately you stake your free coin might not show up at this place. That means this number of block has not been reached yet. You understand? So you have to wait for this number of block to be reached before you'll be able to see your free coin staked there. So whenever you stake your own free coin and it's not showing up at this page, please don't panic. Just wait for few minutes and then you see it here. So it's the number of block that is working with this. My own that is having 13702564. Maybe the time that I stake it, the number of block is at 1100, like maybe it's not up to this number, then it might not display at this place. But once this number of block is reached, then my staked free coin and the x free that I will receive will be displayed at this down side here. So you can read about how this X-free staking works. You can read about it at this place as well. So in order to understand better. So thank you so much once again for watching this video. Please don't forget to like this video and also subscribe to my channel. You can also click on that bell icon so that you can get notified whenever I drop new videos. Thank you once again. God bless you. See you again in the next video. Bye.